welcome back to the channel. Well, my worst wishes have come true. It is coming down. Well, at least hopefully it'll pass through real quick. But I cleared the streets real quick. Well, let us just stand here and watch the rain. I can't even sit because the tables and chairs are super wet. Yeah, guys, yeah, it certainly has cleared out the neighborhood. There are a few people out hiding under door entrances and stuff like that. And some people I just saw kept walking. But I think they soon as they found an able pub, they probably went in. But yeah, this is pretty hardcore, and this is hardcore right here. Oh yeah, she's got to make her tennis practice, that's for sure. Rain or shine. Well, at least I was able to get my coffee in time, because my bike would have gotten soaked. And I would have gotten soaked trying to protect my bike. Luckily, we're here under this Starbucks umbrella. Yeah, just hoping. I'm just hoping that our wonderful JC Land will open up in time. Well, I'm hoping he'll open up at all. Oh, wow. It's coming down even further now. Look at that, guys. Well, the good news is that we have a train at 2:38 from Clybourne Station that stops at Arlington Heights, so we shall be okay on getting back into town. Yeah, and with this weather, I'm hoping our buddy JC Lynn will open up you know, if not, it's gonna, I mean, this weather is probably not gonna help me. Not gonna help my cause today, so I might have to come back here on Tuesday or Thursday during the week, where they should be open. Where yeah, they should be open throughout during the week, because if he moves his hours again, I'm gonna know they're not gonna open up today. But actually, I see some action over there near the bike store, so maybe perhaps as it is nearing 12, maybe there's gonna be somebody there to open up. At least I can see the showroom, look at some of the bikes there. Yeah, the mission will be to basically see a nice Gazelle, look at some of the motors, see what they have on offer with the motors, what kind of you know, maybe some kind of a warranty or insurance you can buy out, so on and so forth. But yeah, some people are hardcore cruising through this stuff. I don't know. I wouldn't do that right about now. I would not do that. Yeah, it is now, guys, 11:20. So it looks like this rain is passing us, and it's getting a little bit brighter out. So hopefully in a few more minutes, well, we can probably just at least get back inside, because there's no way you can sit out in these chairs now. But the problem is with sitting inside is that I forgot my trusty bicycle lock. Henceforth, I may have to nip out into to a good old Home Depot and get myself a good old D-lock that will service probably the speed bike. It'll service the old Brummy, and it'll service the new brother, the new addition to the family, the electric for the winter. So thanks, guys. Hasta la ciao ciao. Bye for now. Over and out from the concrete jungle of Chicago.